Hello viewers, currently Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 is available at a price point of 34,749 rupees using SBI credit card on Amazon.in. Normally the price of this tablet is very high, but in this festive season you are getting this discount. So many people are asking me whether they should go for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 or they should buy Oneplus Pad 2. OnePlus Pad 2 is also a very good tablet with very good display and very good processor, whereas Tab S9 comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. OnePlus Pad 2 is equipped with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. So processor wise OnePlus Pad 2 is better, but in OnePlus Pad 2 you will get LCD display that is not comparable to Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AMOLED 2X display. In Tab S9 you will get punchier color and deeper blacks, so multimedia consumption will be excellent. However, the display on OnePlus Pad 2 is also very good, but it is nowhere comparable to Tab S9. Writing experience on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 is better than OnePlus Pad 2. You will get S Pen in the box that will come free of cost, so you don't have to spend extra amount. On the other hand, OnePlus Pad 2 doesn't come with pen. You have to buy the pen separately, but sometimes they are giving the pen included with the box in festive offers. One of the major thing is that you will get regular software updates on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, but in OnePlus Pad 2 the software update and the software cycle is not so smooth, so you have to wait a little bit longer to get software updates or any security patch level update. However, the battery life on Samsung Galaxy S9 will be inferior to OnePlus Pad 2. You will get better battery life on OnePlus Pad 2. So ultimately, in the conclusion, I think you should go for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 because you will get AMOLED display, very good processor, and also regular software updates which will make your tablet new. Plus you have the brand value of Samsung. On the other hand, if you can manage with LCD display, you will get better processor on OnePlus Pad 2. Also the battery life will be better, speakers will be better, but the multimedia experience or the HDR content watching experience will not be as good as Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. So you have to select your priorities and then make the decision of buying. I think Tab S9. And if you agree with me, please hit the like button, hype this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let me know in the comment section below which tablet you are going to buy. Have a great day.